Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a different video for you. I'm just doing like a little pack with me, if you will. I had someone reach out to me and they wanted to purchase these two projects right here that I created using the Scrap Diva Designs October release, I believe it was. It was last month. And oh my God, I had so much fun playing that month, you guys. I used the Marigold collection and oh my God, I just love how everything turned out. Everything was so pretty. So she also wanted this Acorn mini album. I did a little reel with both of these and she asked, if I wanted to sell it. And I said, yes, give me an offer. She gave me a reasonable offer. So I decided to go ahead and send it to her, sell it to her. And so I also put some little extras in here. This is a gift. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. I think that she may have YouTube. If she does an unboxing video, I will definitely link it down below so you guys can see, everything in detail and what goodies were in there. And then, of course, I had to add some bows because you guys know I'm obsessed with bows, okay? And so those are some handmade ones that I put in there. And look at this Acorn jelly bag. It just fits so much. Her Scrap Diva Designs jelly bags, they fit some really good items, like really roomy. And then these are some of her fantasy flowers. I made some for the month and I used a lot of my projects, but I had some left over. So I put all of those inside this cute little heart-shaped bag for her so she can use on her projects. And yeah, I just was so excited that somebody wanted to purchase some of my handmade items. You guys know I work really hard on my design team projects and just all my crafts. I put a lot of love into them. And I'm just so happy that it's going to have a happy home, you guys. A lot of my projects, they're just like overflowing and I just want to get rid of a lot of them. So if you guys see anything that you want to ever purchase, just message me on Instagram. As long as it's a reasonable price, I am more than happy to sell and part with some of them. I'm using one of my Happy Crafter Shop boxes. I love her boxes, guys. It fit this project beautifully, like snug as a bug, or is it snug as a rug, whatever, you know the saying. And I reused some of my pink tissue paper. I need to get more tissue paper as well, you guys. I'm just really trying to be frugal. Oh my God, I can't speak. And I'm just trying to use what I have, you know what I mean? And because I'm so bad at like buying things that I already have. And so I'm just trying to use what I have. This box is perfect. Lisa, don't ever stop selling these boxes, girls. Don't stop sending me these boxes, please. They're beautiful. And so, yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Angela, if you watch this video, thank you so much for purchasing this project. You really made my day when you did that. It made me feel special that somebody wants to own something that I handmade, to own some of my projects. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Once again, if she does an unboxing, I will definitely link that video down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate you guys. And I hope you I hope that you enjoyed this different, video. All right, I'll catch you all in the next one. Leave me a comment down below.